Mistrust and suspicion are powerful viruses. They can cause permanent mental and emotional damages to the individual they find. They dig under the skin, hiding while searching for new opportunities to deepen the wound. And it takes conscious step-by-step treatment to get rid of them. The longer they stay, the more painful the hurt will become, and since everything is interrelated, eventually they infect the vicinity. And that is where the trust yourself to trust others premium course steps in. Here is the mission statement of the course. Are you a suspicious person consumed by distrust that disturbs the sanctity of your relationships and romantic couplehood? Spending sleepless nights with questions such as where, how, why, with whom? Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to learn the mechanism of doubts, implement the acquired tools into your life, and make the necessary changes towards perfect enjoyment and trust within 3 weeks or less. Life is an extraordinary journey. It is full of challenges and unsolved tasks that are put in front of us on the constantly moving and changing road towards nirvana, the place that today we refer to as happiness. My life hasn't been different. Due to family upheavals, I have been in charge of my choices since the age of 14. I put myself through high-ranking academic education and left my homeland for a strange country on a one-way road. When the old door firmly closed behind me, it opened up many new ones. I traveled the world, lived in different countries on different continents, learned new languages, new behaviors, new traditions, new religions, and went through new relationships. I struggled, enjoyed, laughed, cried, loved, and hated on the roller coaster that I managed to hang on to with the help of the rock-hard faith in myself. I understand that life only gives us challenges we are able to handle, cleverly pushing us out of the comfort zone to taste the fresh air around. I also established that regardless the background, upbringing, religion, color, and education, under those layers, we are all having the same goals. The approach might be different, but the aim is happiness. I learned about the interrelations of the micro and macrocosm. I became a Reiki master healer, an Orisha shamanic master, and a Phoenix initiated educator. Healing the mind and body became a natural addition to my capabilities. I worked in prominent healing centers in the UK and Hungary, and for well-established online psychic reading communities. Today, I have an established philosophy called AKIA that searches for the interaction between earthlings and nature, also Earth and the universe. I have 11 books published and many faithful students. I am an esoteric knowledge expert speaker and intimacy and family coach, and help people to find their purpose. The joy of seeing them succeed gives me the strength to find new adventures and learn from new experiences. I create premium courses for those who are searching for the missing ingredients of the happiness cocktail. Happiness. Let us clarify the meaning of the word. Happiness is a state of mind. It is a living condition where one understands that there are unchangeable and changeable events. When one arrives at the awareness of accepting the unchangeable, and one has the capability of summoning enough courage to change all those possible, just to mention few components. This is my road. It was bumpy, yes. It was painful, yes. But most of all, it was eventful, joyous, exciting, and extremely educational. I learned through years of hurting that my life is my responsibility and I have to remove all obstacles if want success, joy, and fulfillment. Trust is an essential ingredient of happiness. Now you might say, yes, but what if? You cannot trust everybody. Better being cautious than get frightened. And so on. These are all the thoughts of fear. Fear of being hurt. Fear of being cheated on. Fear of being abandoned. What is fear? It is really an illusion. For you are afraid of something that hasn't happened yet. It is only in your imagination. It is the mirror of your insecurity. And why are you insecure? Because you lack the necessary information on the subject. And what is information? It is the key to knowledge. Do not feel bad about it. We all have to learn the secrets of life and understand its ways. We are not born with that knowledge. We do it through keywords. They trigger the mind and open solutions for you. It is a very common saying that the answer is in you. Sure. However, you need the triggers to find them and wake them. This premium course teaches you the mechanism of emotions related to trust and clears the way of a more joyous and fulfilling living. The course has 3 modules and 23 lectures with 3 written exercises. And with a 50% saving, it is yours for a mere $197 US. Do not procrastinate. It is your life and it is yours to win. In Module 1, we talk about definitions, general picture, living organisms, the 3 groups, what is trust. In Module 2, we talk about these groups separately, conscious journey, and summing it up. Module 3, 2 individuals in a relationship, it is very important. Do not expect, considering changes, being consistent, punishment, sleeping with anger and frustration, the golden rules, happy chemicals, why should I care? So all these very exciting subjects are covered in this premium course. See you there. Take care.